In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam game validating. If your game seems stuck on validating or keeps looping through that message, these quick safe fixes will help you clear it and get back to playing. Start by fully exiting Steam and reopening it. Don't just close the window, go to the Steam menu in the top left and choose Exit. Give it a moment to close in the background as well. If you see the Steam icon sitting in your system tray, right-click it and choose Exit there too, so the client fully shuts down. Then reopen Steam from your usual shortcut. A clean restart can clear minor glitches in the client that cause validation to get stuck. And it only takes a few seconds. Next, verify the integrity of your game files. In your library, right-click the game that's showing the validating message and select Properties. Go to the Installed Files tab, then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will compare what's on your disk with the latest version on its servers and re-download anything missing or corrupted. This can take a little time depending on the size of the game and the speed of your drive, so let it run without interrupting it. If you see Steam download a few files afterward, that's normal. It's just replacing whatever didn't match. When it finishes, try launching the game again to see if the validation message is gone. If the issue persists, clear Steam's download cache. Open the Steam menu, go to Settings, select Downloads, and click Clear Cache. This resets Steam's download pipeline, which can fix stuck updates or endless validation checks caused by a bad cache entry. After clearing, Steam will restart and you may be asked to sign in again. That's expected. Your installed games will remain on your drive, and your library will repopulate when you log back in. Once you are back in, head to your library and launch the game to check the result. These three actions work together. Restarting Steam refreshes the client, verifying repairs the game's local files, and clearing the cache resets how Steam handles downloads and updates. It's also normal to see a brief validation after a game update or a Steam client update, just let it complete. If your connection is slow or the game is very large, give each step enough time to finish. That's it. Thanks for watching.